cyclist for no reason. Luckily, other cyclists helped him out.
I don't want anything.
What do you want?
I don't want anything.
So when you swear, make sure you've got the ball to swear, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay? That's you. Don't swear for nothing. Don't swear for nothing.
This is a bike lane. What are you doing here? I'll give you a rest.
This is America.
Son of a gun.
After a close call, driver from red car decided to stop and get out of the car in the middle of the freeway.
Don't drive like an idiot.
Yeah.
I think it's youngest daughter's birthday.
Which one? 08?
Yes, something like that.
So, no.
Don't drive like an idiot. Get out of here.
January 18th. Okay, so what would your youngest daughter be?
They just created the Catholic Church because Catholic means.
Whoa, buddy.
That was a majorly close call. She almost hit me too.
Oh, here in a minute.
Man, what did he hit? He hit something.
Yeah.
He hit something bad. Either that or his tire blew out.
Yeah, I thought that was the hip one.
Jesus.
Boom.
Yeah.
Alright, look at this retard on the boulevard driving all the way down the wrong lane. He ain't passing nobody illegally, he ain't doing nothing, he's just heading right into oncoming traffic. Let's see if he decides to go the other way in a minute. Oh yeah, maybe I should get in the maybe I shouldn't drive down the wrong side the whole time. Friggin' moron.
Roadworks caused confusion at this intersection.
They say, hey, you know what the most interesting is that also the kids of frontline doctors and nurses were in these daycare programs.
Jesus.
What are you smashing my window for? What are you smashing my window for? What are you smashing my window? What are you smashing my window?
Smash mine and all, you
You smashed my window.
favor.
Man. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call the insurance. I've got everything on cameras. I've got everything on cameras. I've got everything on cameras. I don't give a. You don't do that to me. You don't do that to me. Who the do you think you are? Who the you think you are? Yeah, I don't care. Hey, I don't care. I don't care. Look what you doing, fam. What are you doing that for?
Fam, what part of me looks like your family, bro?
Yeah, I don't care, fam. I don't care.
Listen,
hey, I don't care. I don't care. We smash my face.
Hit the road, mate. You got to hit the road. Hit the road.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't care.
Hit the road.
Move from my face.
Hit the road.
Move from my face.
Hit the road.
Move my face. Move my face.
Hit the road.
Move my face.
Hit the road.
Move from my face.
Do your job.
Move from my
Go
face.
do your job.
Okay? I'm gonna call the police for smashes my window. Yeah, I'm gonna do.
But you're cutting your hand. Your hand.
Yeah, I got cut in my hands. Yeah, because of you.
What?
Yeah, you're the.
A minute.
You know who I am. You know who I am. You're gonna. No, you don't know who I am.
Look at me.
You don't know who I am. I'm gonna call the police, fam. What are you doing? I'm not looking at you, fam. Look, why are you doing that, fam?
Look at me.
Why are you doing that?
Look at this.
Why are you doing this?
Look at
Why
this.
are you doing this? Why are you smashing my window? Why you take this thing out? Why you take this one? Is this one you smash it? You smash it. Now we're able. Hey, listen. I smash it. Look. Wow. Okay. Now we're cool now. Now we're cool, fam. Go, fam.
Like I'll be coming back in. That almost ended bad.
This bad driver in front did everything to stop this truck from passing.
Watch it out, homie.
Hang up!
can't hang up!
After this interaction, driver of white pickup truck decided to sideswipe this biker.
पापा से ज्यादा तेरी मम्मी डांटती है।
You all feel like a hostage, but I'm sure it feels nice. The comedy and tragedy historically are linked. The joke.
This driver almost got hit by police car. This driver got his mirror smashed for no reason. As you can see, this driver didn't cut off biker. Luckily, he recorded it on his dash cam. Driver on the left ran a red light and unfortunately struck this driver. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.